Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2016 Chevrolet Cruze LT. Under the hood we have a 1.4 liter i4 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy is in black, it looks great. You do have the Chevrolet badging right up front there with your headlights, and they are very bright. Coming around the side here we do have our Hankook brand tires. They look great. You do have 16-inch rims on there as well. Coming up here we do have our heated exterior mirrors, and coming all the way around to the back of the vehicle you got that LT badging, the Cruze and the Chevrolet, as well as you have your park sensors down there and your backup cameras just under there. Now we can open it up just by pressing that. Lots of room back here. Looks great. You can fold those seats forward if you did want, and you do have your spare tire just underneath there as well. Okay, we have our keys here. 2 press to unlock all the doors, 1 press to lock them. You got that button to open up the back, and if you hold this guy, it does start her up for us. Sounds great. It gets it nice and warm in the winter or cool in the summer. Now, if it is locked, it does also have this button here to open it up. Just press the button, opens right up for us as long as we got the keys on us. Now, on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right here, here, and here. You got your handle here, and this button does open up the back. Little handle here and some storage. Looks great in here. Very nice and soft seats. You do get these guys here for the seats, so backward and forward, as well as the tilt. And then over here we do have the controls over the lights. So we have our auto, our off, our daytime running lights, and our low beams, as well as our in-cabin light control there. And right up here we do have the controls over the turning signals and the high beams. Okay, let's start her up. Foot on the brake, press the button, and it's good to go. Now right in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. Now it is just warning us that there might be ice on the road. Now we can take a look here. It does tell us how many kilometers we have. 23,000, not too bad at all. You can switch that around to your trip A and B, as well as your fuel range, oil life, tire pressure, and then it does turn it off. Then you can also look at your audio, phone, navigation options, and all sorts of different guys in there. Now that is controlled from right here with your Bluetooth options here and your cruise control right there. You got your controls of your windshield wipers right in the center there. And then we also have our touch screen display right here, our radio. So we do have our AM and FM as well as Sirius XM. Sounds great. Then you do also have your phone options here if you have one hooked up through your Bluetooth. You have your OnStar navigation there and your text messages as well. Then you can go into your radio and see all the different stuff there. You do have your media tab here if you have one hooked up. Then you also have your home button right here. It does show you all those guys there, as well as your back button, your skips there, volume and your power. Menu button is right there. And then down here we do have a power up and down for our climate control. Then you got your heated seats here, AC, circulation, where it's going to blow out of, and your defrost, as well as your heat there and your heated seat for the other side. You got your aux cord and USB plug-in over there. You do also have your gear shift right here, and when you are in reverse, you got that ever useful backup camera right there, keeping you nice and safe. You do have your traction control and your park sensor button there. You can open this guy up. You got some storage just in there. Then we do have our glove box over here. Lots of room in there, and you do have your owner's manual. Then up top, you do have the control over your sunroof right here, and you do have the other buttons for your OnStar and whatnot right there. And there is our sunroof looking great. Let's take a look in the back. Open this guy up. On the door, you have that same chrome accenting, control over your windows and handle here, and some storage right down there. Looks great back here. Very spacious. It does seat 3 people. You can fold this down, and you do have an armrest with some cup holders as well. You can fold this down just like this, as I said, and then you do have even more room, or you can get access to the stuff in the back. And there's our 1.4 liter i4 engine. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2016 Chevrolet Cruze LT. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.